What are the chances in one's lifetime of losing a home to fire? The answer is 1 in 1,200. Having a car accident? The answer is 1 in 240. How about needing long-term care? Over 70% of individuals 65 and over will require some type of long-term care in their lifetime. Now, that is a scary number. So what assistance is available other than relying on one's own resources when the time comes where people can no longer look after themselves? Since most people want to be able to stay at home when this happens, one can rely on government, or so they think. Let's take a look at government assistance as it applies today. With the government, one is a recipient of care. There is no control over who treats you. A personal support worker is deployed to your home. You may or may not like the person. The good or bad news is that you hardly ever have the same individual caring for you on a consistent basis. There is no choice over when you receive care. You fit into their schedule. We can relate a situation where an older lady was forced to rise at 6 a.m. to receive her shower. Because she was always used to rising at 9 a.m., the family opted to bring in private help to accommodate their mother, and rightly so. Why should an older person be forced to amend their ways at this stage in their lives to accommodate the system? With government assistance, only activities of daily living such as support for personal care, showering, grooming, and dressing are provided. There is no support for such things as laundry, grocery shopping, light cleaning, or meal preparation. All this being said, with government assistance, one is continually assessed by regulated healthcare professionals, and as such, assistance may be reduced or, at worst, declined. As an alternative, the other long-term care option to consider is to plan with insurance. With insurance, you are a consumer and not a recipient of care, and you maintain 100% control over who, when, and what is provided. Flexibility is the key word, and with that being said, one can direct a care worker as to what kind of assistance is required, whether it is personal care, home care, or community outings. Insurance, or rather traditional long-term care insurance, has always been considered the best solution. Unfortunately, this solution is not without its issues. First of all, 50% of all applicants that apply for traditional long-term care insurance are declined. Products are also very expensive because most people apply too late in life when costs are exorbitant. The underwriting process is very cumbersome since it includes 5 years of one's medical records, which must include the doctor's clinical notes. Yes, there is good news. The newsflash is that a new innovative approach to long-term care insurance, simply entitled Simplified Long-Term Care, is now available. This plan is affordable and easy to apply for. There is no medical underwriting. Just a simple health declaration is required, and 95% of all applicants are approved immediately. My Dignity has long recognized the issues associated with aging and is pleased to endorse and introduce this novel simplified issue plan and allow brokers the opportunity to discuss issues directly with the creator of this unique plan. One of the exceptional plan features permits previously declined individuals to now qualify for coverage. Even people with type 2 non-insulin diabetes can be accepted. The most distinctive feature is that the plan qualifies as a private health services plan, PHSP, which means a retired individual can claim the premiums as a medical expense, eligible for the medical tax credit. Furthermore, self-employed and corporate clients can deduct premiums as an expense. Either way, benefits received are paid out on a non-taxable basis. Hats off to management for arranging this proprietary plan for brokers and their clients, as it is truly a gift for Canadians.